Hey guys, this is our number skills, page 35 and 36. It says, number 1 says count and write how many. So let's look. Let's count this hippo. 1. So let's write the number 1. Pull down, pull down, pull down. All right, let's count these bunnies. 1, 2. All right, let's write the number 2. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. Okay, let's count these whales. 1, 2, 3. All right, around and around, just like a bee. It almost looks like a butterfly wing. All right, let's count the lions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the number 4. Down and over and down some more. Down and over and down some more. Down and over and down some more. That's the way you make a 4. Ooh, all right, let's look at number 2. It says, write how many cent. Let's count these pennies. Remember, pennies we count by ones. So when we count, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write a 5. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a C and then an O. Now you've made a 6, so there's 5 cent over here and 6 cent over here. Let's look at these. Let's circle the number that is bigger, that is more. Is 7 more or 4? Let's draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, which group is larger? Right, the 7. All right, let me erase these because we're going to need to count right here. All right, so let's look. We have a 6 and a 9. Let's make a group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's look at these. Which group has more dots? Which group is more? Which number is more? Right, 9 is more because this group over here is larger. Let's circle 13 bees. Here's the number 13. Let's count to 13 and circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's where we're going to stop. This is 13 worker bees. All right, guys, we're not going to worry about this part on the bottom. All right, guys, see you later. I hope you have a great day.